disassembly of a 1911. This is the Dan Wesson 45. First thing you always want to do is make sure that the gun is free and clear and safe. And the most complicated part of this gun would probably be in the nose right here. I think that's what most people get confused with. You can use the tool. Most guns they provide this with the gun, but it's not absolutely necessary. And the whole purpose of this tool is to compress this spring right here, which is the recoil spring. And then you'll turn this to the left, pull out the recoil spring, then turn it back to the right to remove it. So you can just use your thumb, pull it out, then turn it back the other direction, and you can pull out that. Okay, the next step is, without any tension from the spring, you can pull back the slide to where these two are lined up, and then you will take and press on the back side of here, and then pull this pin out like so. Then slide forward, put the slide or the frame to the side. Alright, then you have your barrel. You're going to pick up, slide forward, and pull it all the way out of the slide. That's how easy it is to take apart a 1911. Okay, and to put it back together, you have to take the barrel, stick it in the front of the slide until it locks into place. I would pull this eyelet up, straight up and down. It makes it a little bit easier. Go ahead and put this piece in. You're going to put in like so, turn it all the way back like we had to before. The open-ended part of this spring goes in the front like so. Take this. This has a half moon cutout shape in it that rides on top of the barrel, facing downwards like this, and it goes right up against this piece here. And you can pretty much leave in that position. Again, if the eyelet is facing up, that makes it the easiest. Take the slide it on until you can look through the hole and you can see that eyelet sticking straight up. Okay, then you can take this pin, get it started, then slide the slide back to the same location that you pulled it out. Like so, and it should go all the way flush. Okay. Now press this in, rotate, that will catch. Then you can press your thumb down and rotate all the way back around until it snaps into place. And that's it.